Okay, I'm going to show you how to make the ruffling for this, and I took two different greens and I just smashed them together. I'm just going to blend them in a little bit, rotate it around, roll it out. I don't want to overdo the greens. I want to show that variegation that you see.
That would be the two different colors of green?
Yep, variegation, technical
Gotcha.
word.
Like it.
Like it. See? See? And then we're going to take and put it through the pasta machine to make it thinner so we can wave it on here and ruffle it. Okay, we're going to get this on the cake. It gives you an understanding as why we started with this. I like the green, the two greens instead of having the white to it. Just a barrier so that just, okay, there's the green, takes off with the white above for the tree section. Okay, see how that did that? There you go. So, I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing with the fondant. All right, so I'm changing my project, so I'm changing my gloves. That's what you're supposed to do when you're doing food safe. All right, on this project with this double fondant is you're going to need to have your shortening right at hand, your rolling pin right at hand, and your pasta machine, because that's what it's going to take. My hands are a little sticky, so they don't want to slide on.
It is kind of hot over here with all the lights and everything.
Yeah.
Here in the YummyArts kitchen.
Well, we took off one set and put another set on there, and they're sticky.
Yep.
So, what you've got in front of you is, here's my bucket of shortening. I have got some white, and I've got two colors of green. I have my rolling pin, okay. I have one of the Tappits. We're going to use this for decorative. And you're going to get such a kick out of this when I start showing you what we're going to do, okay? So we're going to use that for our decorative line. Okay, so what I did was, I took class years ago with Colette Peters, and I know you guys know who that is. She was the first winner of the Food Network Challenge for wedding cakes, okay? You're going to take this and you want to get a little bit of shortening on your hand, not a lot. We're going to juice it up. You got to make it sticky, okay? So that's where the gloves come in handy. And on top of your clean counter, you're going to roll it like this, a little bit more. It doesn't take a lot. You can see the shine coming to it. Make a snake, depending on how long you want to make it. Need the green a little bit bigger than the white. See how it gets shiny where it was flat before? See the difference? That's what you want.
You want shiny?
You want shiny.
Okay.
You want it to be sticky. If it doesn't stick to this one, you got to add a little bit more. So juice it up really good. Not only do the gloves help keep you from absorbing it, you don't have to wash your hands. So we're going to snake it out.
Okay, so basically it's a length of green fondant and a length of white fondant.
Yes. You can take two pieces of the two different color greens and twist them together and everything and roll them out and variegate this if you want. Okay. Now I'm going to take a little bit and I'm going to rub it against this one side and I'm going to bring this right up to it. Okay. Snaking it and press it in. Now I want to keep my ends even, so we're going to set that off to the side. Okay, see how that opened up a little bit right there? Okay, I'm going to take and rub a little bit of shortening in there, rub together. Okay, now I don't want to take the rolling pin and roll against it because that's going to push the white away from it. So I'm going to take the rolling pin. This one is at Bed Bath & Beyond, and this one does not stick. I don't have to juice it up. I don't have to cornstarch it. It's just going to work beautifully on this. So you want to roll this direction first. See how it smashes out the white and the green?
Mm-hmm.
It's actually pushing it together. See what that did? We want to add a little bit of stuff. We can overlap it. It's not that critical that it be perfect you know, we can
Okay,
rub
so
them in.
let me make sure I get this straight. The idea here is that we want to basically glue the two colors together.
Absolutely.
And we're doing that by using some shortening.
Yep.
You
and
got
if it-
shortening in the mix.
Shortening in the mix.
Okay.
If you can't get it to stick sideways, set it on top of it a little bit and rub it into it. We can always cut that one section off.